Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Lenovo LOQ 15 Touchpad not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Lenovo LOQ 15 Touchpad isn't working, there are several possible reasons. It could be disabled, a driver issue, or Windows setting problem. So the first thing that you can do is check if the touchpad is disabled. Some Lenovo laptops have the function key. By simply pressing the function key and the F10, you can see the lock trap touchpad isn't working. So simply press the function key plus the F10 key to check if the touchpad is disabled or not. Tap it once and you can check by simply trying to move the cursor. Some lock models use F10 plus step spacebar to toggle the touchpad as well if F10 doesn't work. The next is to check Windows settings. Simply press Windows plus I, or you can head over and open up your start menu and then on the search bar type in settings. Once you're inside there, what you need to do is on the left hand side of your options, select Bluetooth and devices. Then once you're inside the Bluetooth and devices options, scroll down and you'll find the option that says touchpad. Simply select that. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is check this option if it's toggled on or not, and then if it's not on, simply toggle it on, and that will make sure the touchpad is working properly. And you can also check the sensitivity on the cursor speed or on the advanced gestures as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.